Checking your account balance on Goodbudget is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily find your balance. Step 1. Open the Goodbudget app. Launch the Goodbudget app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your financial information. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the desired account. In the Accounts section, scroll through your list of accounts and select the one for which you want to check the balance. This will open the account details. Step 4. View your balance. After selecting the account, you will see the current balance displayed prominently on the account details page. Take note of the amount shown. Step 5. Log out or return to home. Once you have checked your balance, you can either log out of the app for security or return to the home screen to continue managing your budget. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Goodbudget. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you stay on top of your finances.